Hi and welcome to this video. Hoping that this might help out a few other people. I've been struggling to find out how to fix this problem, but going to show you very quickly, easily, how we do it. I bought this old 13-year-old Pioneer AVR. It's an SC LX86. Wanting to connect up my speakers into the speaker posts or the binding posts. But the banana plugs I've got on the end of my speaker wires wouldn't go into the back of the binding post. The binding post is too small to receive a 4mm banana plug. After searching the web, couldn't find anything. And then what I did try was this. Small screwdriver. Insert the screw into the back of the binding post. It's a plastic lug in there. Give it a 2 or 3 turns until it's biting into the plastic. Voila. You now have access to the binding post for a 4mm banana plug. Hope this helps you as it did me. Cheers.